What damages are you entitled to?
All right, here we go. Damages in a PI accident. Take 5, 3, 2, 1.
Hello, my name is Chuck Farah, and welcome to The Legal View. With me today is my partner, Eddie Farah, and today we're going to talk about the types of damages one is entitled to after being involved in an accident.
Thanks a lot, Chuck. It's good to be here. And basically, there are two broad categories of damages in a personal injury case. The first one is the economic damages. And those are pretty easy to calculate because typically they're lost wages that you incurred in the past up until the time of settlement or the time of trial, and the medical bills that you've incurred in the past up to the time of trial. Then, of course, there's the future expenses, which can be calculated resulting from the accident. Future lost wages you'll be entitled to if you can't work as a result of the accident. There's also future medical bills that you'll be entitled to. Typically, lawyers employ what they call a life care planner. The life care planner is able to talk to your doctors, talk to your employers, and determine whether or not you're going to be able to work in the future and what type of medical expenses you're going to incur in the future. Sometimes you may be able to go back to work, but you're not able to earn as much money as you were earning before the accident. That's referred to under the law as lost earning capacity. And so you're able to claim the amount of money that you were earning after the accident and compare that to what you were earning before the accident to even that out. So those damages are pretty much cut and dry. They're easy to calculate. Chuck, what about the human damages?
Right, that's the second major category that you referred to, and that's called the non-economic damages or the human damages. And this category includes damages such as compensation for pain and suffering, which is pretty self-explanatory, but it's a major part of the non-economic damages category. The second type of damage under that category is a loss of enjoyment for life. If someone's injured and they're not able to perform certain activities such as hobbies or travel or dealing with kids in their soccer events or whatever, that's a loss of enjoyment for life. The third type of category would be the mental anguish, the emotional effect that being injured has on a person, and not really just the injuries themselves, but everything else that comes along with being injured. If you can't work and you're not able to earn money, then that creates a strain, a mental strain on the person, and that's the type of damage that you can recover under that subcategory. And finally, the inconvenience of being involved in the accident itself, having a disruption in your normal lifestyle, having to go to doctors or not being able to conduct errands on the weekends. That type of inconvenience is a real damage, and you can be compensated for it. The main thing that you have to do, that a lawyer has to do in developing the damages side of the case, is to document it. And so once there's good documentation, then that's half the battle of getting the client compensated. But if you have any questions regarding these types of damages, you can call our office or visit our website at farahfarah.com.